Hi guys, and welcome to another video where I explain something that we're doing in class. As you can see, I'm starting with a blank Word document and I am setting up this to write a paper. So in this particular document, I am writing the product review essay, and you'll see that I started on the left-hand side of the screen with my name, the class, and the section number, followed by the date. Then I'm writing a title that is centered on the page, and for this, the title was Product Review, the Happy Planner. Now I've double clicked to the top of the page to get into the header, and I am adding a page number, and that is on the right hand side, and I do want that page number to appear on the first page. I went back into the home toolbar to add my last name to the header as well, and double clicked to get back to the page. You'll see throughout the video that I'm flipping back and forth from the outline to my actual essay. And in this, I am following my outline for inspiration of what to write about. Hopefully you'll be able to see that the final product, the final essay, really does match the outline fairly well. I have made some changes, but this should show you how writing an outline helps make writing the essay itself a little bit of an easier process. In the next few clips, I have sped up the writing process because I am not the quickest typer, but in total, this whole thing took me about 20 to 25 minutes, and that is solely due to the fact that I had an outline ready to go. One thing you'll see here is that I have highlighted a piece of the text, and that is where I need to go back later and make any kind of changes to that. Later, you'll see me leave a comment. I think it's in the next clip. And that is just a comment for myself so that when I'm coming back and editing and going back through this, I can look at that sentence one more time and decide if there's a better way to write it. So from here, I'm just going to try to play a little bit of music over what we're doing so that you can just kind of watch the process in total, and I'll come back in toward the end. Okay, so this is a little bit fast forwarded to the future, but at this point I was finished writing the essay. And what I did first was highlight everything. I need to get it formatted, so I went to the home and the paragraph, and I double spaced the entire text. This makes it easier to read too if I'm going back through and proofreading. I also looked at the headers to make sure that the page numbers were in there correctly. I checked the margins to make sure that it was 1 inch all the way around, and then I think I highlighted it one more time just because I had forgotten to check on the font to make sure that it is Times New Roman 12-point font all the way throughout, nothing bold, nothing underlined or anything like that. I went back through and looked for areas where there were red squiggly lines and corrected them. Thank you for watching.